Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm back at the sewing machine and I am doing a quilt. The one I'm going to show you how I've done today is a disappearing 9-patch baby quilt. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut out my squares, and I've cut out 4 of these green polka dot. They're 5.5 by 5.5. Then it's the floral 5.5 by 5.5. And there's 4 of those, and 1 of the pink and beige. So what I'm going to do is the pink and beige will go in the center. The floral will go in the 4 corners. And the green polka dot will go in the top and the sides. Like so. I'll sew this row, this row, this row. And I'll be right back. Okay, I've sewn the blocks together, made rows, and I've pressed the top row and this bottom row in towards the green, and the middle row I've pressed out towards the green. That way when I go to sew the rows together, the seams will nest. So you can see I've got this seam going this way and this seam's going that way. So I'll put these together and sew the rows together. Okay, I've used 1/4 inch seams, and this is the 9-patch. But now we're going to make it disappear. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure in 2.5 inches. And I'm going to cut down the center. And the same way here, 2.5 inches. Cut down the center. So we have these 4 blocks. So what you can do, you can rearrange them however you like. Rearrange them any way you like. But I'm going to be doing them this way. So what I'll do now is I'll sew these blocks together, these blocks together, and then the center. And this is what it looks like. And I'll come back and sew them onto the baby quilt. Okay, now I'm going to trim the block down to 14.5. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my square here, and in the center lines, line it up with 7 1/4. And trim. Do all 4 sides. Okay, that's all trimmed up. Now I'll sew the blocks together in the quilt. I got the quilt, baby quilt, all done. It's the 9 patch. This one I did not do the quilt as you go, but it could very easily be adapted to a quilt as you go. So on the borders, I added 2-inch strip of the little pink flowers and a 3-inch strip of the floral, and the backing is the floral. This quilt was so easy and so quick. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing the disappearing 9 patch. If you did, give us a thumbs up, comment what you think of it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.